Hello, everyone. Today is August 7th. Let's take a look at today's Bitcoin price. Yesterday, I previewed in the video that this round of the Bitcoin button is probably around $6,830. As we can see from the 4-hour key line from last night, Bitcoin dropped to as low as 6,815 last night, and just $20 of the bottom of Bitcoin were predetermined. After that, price of the coin quickly recovered around about 6,900. From here, the overall trends of Bitcoin is in line with our previous expectation, and there are no such severe changes. So the technical point that we gave you yesterday are still valid. And I remember that I told in the videos that the button is the region, not a point. After a strong shot for the value of the currency, it needs to be shaken in the button. And for platform consolidation, the bulls need to swap a large part of the strong shot chips in this area. This can also accumulate the force of long buyers. This way of clearing the platform experienced the full exchange of counters, and it would relieve a lot of pressure for Litecoin price rising, or loan buyers that to take the major position. So let's look at what I defined yesterday. Is a triangle zone like this actually the bottom region? So any currency near 6,800 in this location is worth a bargain. So what we need to emphasize to you is that bottom is a region, not a single point. And since there is not much change in technology, there is nothing new to be emphasized today. It's just that yesterday we were in this place, which is the intersection of the downward pressure line at a 4-hour level and the bottom support line at the start of this round, which is at about 10 o'clock p.m. August 10th. In other words, according to our judgment, even if the current price needs to be adjusted at here for a long time, when the current price is about $6,815 at about 10 p.m. on August 10th, the current price will automatically break the downward trend in the 4-hour level and enter the bull area. Okay, at that time we will use the base support line at the hunting bargain point of the new round of the rising. At present, the overall situation is still hunting bargain, holding to rise. Also, we have marked the bottom of the 4 and the Bitcoin. It does not mean that the price of the currency will immediately rise. This is not the case. The currency needs to be shaken at the bottom, and there needs to be a process for it to rise and rebound. So, before August 10th, these investors who join the market and bargain at the bottom will be defined as trading on the left side because this period of time did not completely in a rally, so there is still some risk. After August 10th, if current movements accord with our predictions, namely that the price is fluctuation around 6,000 and $850, and then K-line form should have been almost completely repaired, so the investors buying will be confirmed as the right side of the deal, which is relatively safer than the left side transaction. We actually talked about this yesterday in the video. Otherwise, we don't have anything to remind you right now, and we are going to use the same operation strategy that we given you. However, I need to remind you that since bottom is an area, investors should make a plan for their capital position with the goal to buy at the point. This kind of one-time operation is not suggest for anyone, and risk control is always the first thing you should remember. That's all for you today. Thank you. See you next time.